what exactly is chain of custody?
Yeah, so I think part of your findings might be conflating a bit chain of custody's concept with chain of custody with how you achieve it. So the basic concept of chain of custody is you understand where that piece of evidence has been and who's had access to it and the ability to potentially change it at any point from the time it was created, collected, gathered, found, until it goes before the court. So there's sort of legal standards to what helps make something admissible, which are different than standards for how the technology needs to be designed to do that, right? So eyeWitness, indeed, we looked at the admissibility standards for photo and video evidence, particularly. All evidence, as any lawyer will tell you, has to be both relevant and reliable. And the tool really comes into the reliability. And so when you're looking at photo and video, you're looking at, do you know, was the footage captured, where and when it was claimed? Has the footage been edited, or is it still in its raw format at the time it was created? And then the other key thing is this chain of custody. So is the integrity of the information intact? And so the way you have to do that really is to kind of trace its lifespan. So the analog version of it is you would take a photo on your phone, you take the SD card, you put it in a plastic bag, you seal the plastic bag, you initial it, you write the time and date on it, place the bag in a safe, and there it sits until it's going to go to court. The technical version of encryption, I think encryption is now taking the place of the sealed bag. So in terms of at least how eyeWitness works, you take the photo, it's encrypted at rest on the device, so nobody can access it, nobody can change it. You encrypt it in transit from the device to the repository we maintain, so nobody can access it, nobody can change it. Now, whether you're using eyeWitness or any other tool, at some point, that photo or video is going to have to be decrypted because someone's going to want to put it in their database. They're going to want to analyze it. They're going to want to aggregate it with the other information they collect. And then this is where the need for protocols, processes, testimony, and other types of technology might come into play. And so I think that's why you're seeing tool developers and others saying that encryption doesn't solve your chain of custody problem, because at some point it's going to be in the wild. And so you need to be able to have audit logs to understand who's had access to it, to be tracking what's been done to it, who has the keys to decrypt it, and someone's going to have to explain this and be able to present it. And so I think that's maybe where the discrepancy comes.